Timber density is a measure of the amount of woody material that's packed together in a given volume. The woody fibers themselves are basically made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. In all species of timber, this material has a density of about 1,500 kilograms per cubic meter. However, wood cells also have cavities in them, and different species have different sized cavities and cell wall thicknesses. So the final density of a block of wood will always be less than 1,500 kilograms and will vary depending on how much space is present both inside and outside the wood cells, and also how much water and other substances are contained in the overall volume. In general, the denser a species of timber is, the stronger it is compared to other species, assuming that the pieces being compared are straight-grained and free from defects. This is because the main determining factor of strength is the thickness of the cell walls in the wood fibers. Green density refers to the density of wood at the time the living tree is felled. Because its weight will include a large amount of water, this density measurement is not a reliable indicator of the timber's strength. Dry density refers to the timber's density at 12% moisture content, which is considered to be the average moisture content for seasoned timber. It is sometimes called season density or air-dry density in reference tables. This allows a more direct comparison of the amount of woody tissue present, since the moisture content remains constant. These two images show the wood cells in a typical softwood and hardwood, viewed through a microscope. You can see that there is less woody material in the Oregon compared to the eucalypt. Therefore, its dry density will be less. Its strength will also be lower because there is less fibrous material to provide structural support. On the web page for this lesson, you'll find a table showing the average densities of various commercial timber species. As you look at these density figures, keep in mind that the density of individual pieces of timber can vary greatly from the average for that species, since the actual density will depend on how fast the tree grew, where the piece was cut from the log, and other factors relating to the tree's growing environment.